Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is December 1st. Well, actually it's like past midnight, so it's actually December 2nd. I took a nap this afternoon, like really late this afternoon. I woke up at like 10, so I'm full of energy right now. And I've decided to decorate for Christmas. Last year I decorated late. I think I decorated like on December 8th or something. I wanted some more time with my Christmas tree. I felt like I decorated everything for Christmas and then Christmas was over in like a blink of an eye. So this time I want to make sure to decorate early. I actually wanted to decorate the day after Thanksgiving or the day after Black Friday, but I ordered some ornaments from Amazon and they got like back ordered. I don't know what happened, but they ended up coming super late, so I had to wait on that. But I decided since I can't sleep, I might as well decorate like the bedroom. So I'm actually in my room right now. I just got out of the shower, as you can tell. Your girl's breaking out, but I am too lazy to put makeup on. It's 2 a.m. in the morning, so it's fine. We all break out. First of all, when December rolls around, I try to do everything possible to make it feel as Christmassy as possible, like jolly, or like, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, festive. Like I want everything to correlate, right? So first I'm gonna change into my Christmas PJs that you guys saw me haul for Black Friday. Let's do that first. Okay, now before we start decorating, there's some cleaning up I have to do. Let me just show you the mess I have over here. Okay, so this has become what I like to call my dump box, or actually my dump corner. My friend gave me some lights and this is what they came in, and I just didn't know where to store my filming equipment, so I decided to leave it in this box and leave it over here in the corner of my room. But before I knew it, this just turned into my go-to place to dump my stuff. So there's not just filming equipment, but there's also clothes and bags of random stuff and towels, and just basically this has been my lazy corner. I feel like everyone has one of those places in their house, right? And we also have one in the kitchen. Our kitchen island has turned into another dumping ground. Like when we come home, we throw the mail on there, the keys, and just before you know it, there's a bunch of stuff all over the kitchen counter. This corner of the room is where I plan to put my Christmas tree, so I have to pick this all up. But before I do, I'm gonna make some coffee. So I finally set up the Keurig and we've been using it for these last couple of days and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I make coffee almost every day, which I'm not a coffee drinker, but I guess it's just fun to use. And we actually bought Starbucks vanilla flavor coffee. I like it a lot, so I'm gonna make some of that. Coffee check. Now another thing I've been using since I got it was the Amazon Alexa. Oops, sorry, I just turned her on. Never mind. I'm just gonna get her to play some Christmas music so I can get started on cleaning this mess over here. Alexa, play some Christmas music. Holiday. I don't even know the words. Sweet home. I met a man who lives in Tennessee. He was heading for and some homemade pumpkin pie. Oh, he's so cute. Guys, I just cut myself. There was like a broken bulb in that box and I just stuck my hand in there and I cut myself. It's like super tiny, but dang, this is dangerous. Oh my god! I am such an idiot! I just broke another bulb. Nike, what the heck? I just keep on breaking bulbs and bulbs and bulbs and bulbs. Okay, go outside, Bubba. I don't want you to get cut. I have to be careful here. Dang. Gently pick up the pieces. Gentle. Guys, it doesn't stop bleeding. It's not even a big cut, but it was like really sharp, so it's not stopping. Ow! Hopefully this bag is not open anywhere. Alright you guys, so I finished cleaning up this corner. As you can tell, obviously the carpet needs some washing. One of these days I need to buy one of those carpet washers or hire someone to come and wash it, because like you know, we have dogs and they're always walking in and out of here. So vacuuming is as much as I can do right now. Yeah, so I finished this corner. I still kept the box because I honestly don't know where to put it right now, but I just organized the stuff inside of it. So I put all my clothes back in the closet and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So here it is. I just organized all my filming lights and everything. I'm still going to keep it in the room, but I'm just going to move it somewhere else, like outside of this corner. For now, at least it's organized. And now we got to bring in all the Christmas decorations, the Christmas tree, all that stuff. Thankfully, we took it all out of the attic earlier today, so I just got to bring it in here from the garage. Alright you guys, so I got the Christmas tree, and we actually bought this Christmas tree for the first time last year. So we've only used it one time. Well, one Christmas season. Last year we actually put it in the dining room and I loved it. It was so pretty, but we rarely use the dining room except for like big dinners and stuff like that. So this year I kind of wanted to get more use of it. I wanted to put it in a place where we hang out a lot. It looks so beautiful in the dining room, but we rarely ever went into the dining room, and it's kind of like walled off, so you don't really see it from any other room in the house unless you're inside the dining room. And we have our big tree. I haven't brought it out yet. I think we might put that one up tomorrow. We're gonna put the big one out in the living room, but this one I wanted to put it in the bedroom just so we can, you know, get more use out of it, like look at it more often. We never decorate our room for Christmas. Like we put some stuff here and there, but I think it would be really nice to have a tree in our bedroom too. So that's what I decided to do, and like I said, I'm gonna put it over here in this corner. So let's start setting it up. So this one isn't really too hard to set up. It's pre-lit, which is awesome, and I think it's just 3 pieces. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm a little bit scared. I hope I don't find anything creepy because this was in our attic. We packed it up real good last year. I wanted to make sure to store everything really well so that this year there wouldn't be like a huge mess and things all over the place. I bought a bunch of bins to make sure I organized everything and put it away nicely so that it's easier to decorate this year. Let's see how that goes. I put bags on the tree and then stuffed it in here. So let's see. Ooh, I forgot that this is pre-lit. We cannot break these lights. Alright, so hopefully I don't need the instructions and I can remember how all of this went. So obviously this is the base. Okay, I think this is the first piece. Let's go in there. So I think I'm going to start spreading the branches and everything before I put each one, just so it's easier. I'm trying to make sure I did this right. I think this is the base, right? Maybe I do need the instructions, so let me check. Okay, I think this is the base. So let's get to fluff in. Alexa, play Christmas music. Slim trees, like the skinnier ones. I might fluff it up some more after I put some of the ornaments on. So let's light it up. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. It looks so good. You like it? All right, now let's get decorating. All right, this is box number 1. Let's see what's in here. Woo, okay. Let's see, we got some of these ornament hangers. This used to have cookies in it. I'll keep this aside just in case I need it for the ornaments. Oh my god, I have so much stuff. I found the first bag of ornaments. Ooh, okay, I found this one too. The star. Because it's not a real Christmas tree, last year I bought these scented ornaments, so I'm gonna put some of these on there as well. Alright, so these are my ornaments. I have to decide what I want to put on the tree this year. I think I want to go simple. Like, I don't want to go too crazy. So I think I might just do these. These are just gold, red, and green. I think that's it. I think the rest is like for outside of the house. Should I put some of this on there? Ooh, that's pretty. Oh man, now I don't know what I should do. I think I'll just put the ornaments first and then decide. Oh, I have a Santa Claus. I'm gonna check what we have in this other box just in case. Let's see. These are the ornaments for my other tree. I don't see anything in here. Okay, I think that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these little hangers on my ornaments. Some of them have it already, but let's see which ones don't. Alright, so I put all of the little ornament hooks on the ornaments and I'm going to start decorating. I don't even know what time it is, you guys. I feel like I'm pulling an all-nighter for this. What time is it, Alexa? Wait, it's Alexa and then what time is it, right?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 2:49 a.m.
It's 2:49! Oh my god, I am still not tired. So let's get this done. Alright, you guys, I totally forgot to end this video. I actually finished decorating around 4 in the morning. Your girl pulled an all-nighter. I love the way the tree came out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!